What are you teaching us today?
Installing and using Deno.
What is Deno?
Deno is a single binary executable that can be used for creating applications using JavaScript or TypeScript. It works on macOS, Linux, and Windows and has no external dependencies.
How can I download and install Deno?
There are several methods to download and install Deno. Here are some of them. Using Shell, macOS and Linux. Using PowerShell, Windows. Using Scoop, Windows. Using Chocolatey, Windows. Using Homebrew, macOS. Using MacPorts, macOS. Using Nix, macOS and Linux. Using ASDF, macOS and Linux. Build and install from source using Cargo. Note that on macOS, Deno has both M1, ARM64, and Intel x64 executables available. On Linux and Windows, only x64 is supported.
How can I test if my Deno installation was successful?
To test if your Deno installation was successful, simply run Deno version in your terminal. If it prints the Deno version to the console, your installation was successful. You can also run Deno help to see help text documenting Deno's flags and usage.
How can I update my Deno installation?
To update your Deno installation to the latest release, you can run Deno upgrade. This will fetch the latest release from github.com/denoland/deno/releases, unzip it, and replace your current executable with it. You can also use Deno upgrade to install a specific version of Deno.
Can I install Deno manually?
Yes, you can install Deno manually by downloading a zip file at github.com/denoland/deno/releases. The package contains just a single executable file, which you will have to set the executable bit on macOS and Linux to use.
Is there a Docker image for Deno?
Yes, there is an official Docker image for Deno. You can find more information and instructions at github.com/denoland/deno_docker.
Please give us a summary of Deno installation.
Deno is a versatile, cross-platform tool for creating applications using JavaScript or TypeScript. There are multiple ways to install and use Deno, including using shell commands, installing with package managers, or building from source. Testing your installation is easy, and updates can be installed as well. Deno continues to gain popularity in the developer community for its ease of use and versatility.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like this type of video, then please be sure to like and subscribe. We are trying to grow this channel. See you in the next video.